Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Oliver Smith.
Today was an interesting day. We had some wind in southern Oregon and we had a cold front move through. In fact, this is a 24-hour loop. You can see from zoomed way out. Yeah, we did have a little bit of some light showers in the vicinity. Medford picked up rain for maybe about a minute or two. I know there's some areas out towards Grants Pass that also picked up a little light rain for a very short amount of time, but from what I could tell, nobody picked up any measurable rain. So that system is pushed off towards the east. Now we just have lingering clouds in Medford and over towards Grants Pass as well. So it's a little bit cooler in the Rogue Valley right now because of the cloud cover hanging out. A little bit clearer down to our south, so it is a little bit warmer, about 5 to 10 degrees warmer compared to 24 hours ago. Current temperatures now are 40s, 46 right now in Klamath Falls, 50s up and down I-5, 55 in Medford, 46 over in Gold Beach. So tonight we're looking at temperatures dropping to the low 40s for the Oregon coast. 43 is the forecast low. On the other side, we're looking at 35 for Lakeview, 33 for Klamath Falls, 46 under a cloudy sky here in Medford. We're going to start off with some brief morning clouds and they'll burn off, and we'll have a lot of sunshine for the day tomorrow, and we'll have high clouds passing from time to time. But because of that cold front moving through our area, temperatures won't be quite as warm as they were today. We're looking at about room temperature for Medford, about the same thing for Wairika, so 70, 71, just in case you were wondering. 64 is forecast high out in Lakeview, and 67 for Grants Pass. So our stormcast shows the clouds that we have on hand right now. They'll stick around throughout the morning, so just don't be surprised if maybe you might see a little drizzle in some of the higher locations this morning. But once we go through the day tomorrow, we'll be looking at some high clouds going through our region. Now it's going to stay pretty windy along the Oregon coast. Kind of notice these wind barbs going from north towards the south. So we could be looking at winds about 20 to 30 miles an hour throughout the day for tomorrow. We go through Monday, same kind of scenario. We'll see a little bit more in terms of high clouds, but those high clouds will actually help temperatures go up a little bit more because we're having high pressure build in before we get to our next system, which moves in later in the day on Tuesday. Now, it's actually going to come up from the south from California, so it'll start by triggering thunderstorms mostly into Siskiyou County, and then eventually they'll push off east of the Cascades as we go throughout the afternoon on Tuesday. So the best chance of seeing any activity would be Cascades, Siskiyou County, east the Cascades. West the Cascades, it's going to be pretty hard to get these systems going, at least for now. That forecast could change. Pollen forecast, it's going to be medium to high for tomorrow, but then it goes up quite a bit Monday, Tuesday, and into Wednesday. So the system that gave us the brief couple showers today pushes off towards the east for tomorrow, so high pressure builds in, so we'll have some nice temperatures for tomorrow. Once that pushes off towards the east, there's that weak disturbance moving in from the south, and that'll give us that southerly flow, that chance of showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday, and eventually that'll push off towards the east once we go into Wednesday. But then Thursday, here comes another big system offshore. This U-shaped is a big system that'll be moving in. That's going to bring some rain, and then eventually we're going to have cooler temperatures heading into next week. So we had the nice weather. It's going to be gone here pretty soon. So for the Oregon coast, we're looking at upper 60s to low 70s for the next couple of days, peaking on Monday. Much cooler on Tuesday and Wednesday with more cloud cover, and then we'll see rain on Thursday and into Friday. Northern California, some pretty nice temperatures for the next couple of days, and then we could see some isolated showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday and Wednesday before a better chance of rain and cooler temperatures for the end of the week. Klamath Basin, same kind of scenario, a little bit on the breezy side for the next couple of days. Perhaps a few storms, thunderstorms Tuesday and Wednesday, and then a cooler and more rain with 50s beginning on Thursday and Friday. Cascades, you could actually be looking at some rain and snow once we get towards the end of the week. Temperatures may be cool enough for snow at least to about 5,000 feet. We'll see if it gets lower than that when we get closer to the event. And here in the Rogue Valley, 70 for tomorrow, 80 on Monday. Temperatures cooling off back into the low 70s by Wednesday. And then we will barely make 60 degrees by Friday. Well, at least we'll have some rain, which is good because we need the rain.
Yeah, good ahead of fire season. Definitely getting a little bit of preparation in. But yeah, definitely sounds like Monday. Gonna want to have my sunblock on with that. Yeah. With that sun, it's in your graphic there. It's just, it looks relentless. Yeah. 80 degrees.
That's gonna help with the allergies. So
definitely,
won't have to
yeah.
blow your nose as much.
No more pollen for you. I know that gets ya.
Yeah, it does. I'll get a little bit of a break. Just a little.
Thanks, Oliver.
Yeah.